Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's Today in Lighting, Monday, 1 June, and I hope you had a nice weekend. We're sponsored by Keystone Technologies, offering light made easy for all your project needs. If you enjoyed Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. ETI Solid State Lighting is being sued by Signify for patent violations. That's an old story. What is new is that ETI has filed a complaint against Signify, alleging that Signify demands royalty payments on broad product groups that do not actually use or infringe on any Signify patents. If ETI prevails, this could be huge for the 1,700 Signify licensees. Read more at edisonreport.com. Linmore Labs is advocating for circular lighting design, emphasizing modular fixtures that can be repaired and upgraded instead of discarded. Wayne Collum highlights how maintainable lighting systems can reduce labor cost, extend fixture life, and support long-term sustainability goals. Westgate Manufacturing expanded its commercial lighting lineup with partnerships with Kiltone and Atani, offering scalable fixture plus controls systems from standalone sensors to full building-wide automation. Read more at edisonreport.com. The Lighting Quotient announced Tambient ONA, a new human-centric workplace lighting system debuting at Fulton Market Design Days 2026. The system combines tunable white lighting, video conference illumination, near-infrared integration, and wireless controls designed for flexible, energy-conscious modern workspaces. Details at edisonreport.com. And on Friday, the Dow gained 363 points. NASDAQ was up 55. Both were record highs, and the NASDAQ gained 8% for the month of May. Acuity was up $4.80. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great week. Pray for peace.